everyone, good morning. Today is December 9th and we have day 9 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas to unbag with all of you. If you do not know, or if you are new to our channel, this is kind of like the Missouri Star Quilt Company advent calendar that they put out every year, or at least for the last couple years. We do have bags or boxes from day 1 to day 25 of December, just like a standard advent calendar. So yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe if you'd like to continue seeing something like this. And let's go ahead and dive into bag number 9. Here we have bag number 9. Okay, feels pretty full. Okay. Interesting, okay. All right, there's just a warning on the bag. It doesn't actually say what it is, but I think it's like maybe a paper star. Let's see. It's really cute. It actually has, let's see if we can put it together on camera. Okay, so there's like a little drawstring pull here. Let's see if it turns into what we, let's see here. Oh, so cool. I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Look how cute this is. Okay, and then I guess I just do this to bring it closed. And then maybe I can hang it like this. All right, or I guess you could even technically tuck the string in here if you didn't want the string exposed. But if you look really closely, this is actually laser cut with a little sewing machine and chuck and spool of thread and an iron here and some scissors and obviously Missouri Star. That is so cute. Okay. I think I'll go ahead and hang it on my Christmas tree. I don't have a star on my Christmas tree yet. It doesn't quite work. Maybe it does. Let's see. Does that work? How bad does that look? Oh my goodness. Alright, how terrible does that look? Does it look okay? Alright, I really need to make decorations for this. That's like another video coming, hopefully, probably next year at the rate that I'm going. Ooh, we have another one. Okay, cool. I won't go ahead and do this one for you guys, although there is kind of different laser etching on here. So it looks like the Missouri Star, and then there's some different kinds of triangles and things like that. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so cool. And then there's a little pack of lights. Sorry that was so loud. There's a little pack of lights that go, so it's AA batteries that go in here, and then you have these cute little LED lights that go inside of the little lantern. And they do give you a second set as well for the second lantern. That is so super cute. I want to know, obviously I have it on my Christmas tree right now. Maybe I'll put the other one here since I have no other decorations, but I want to know what you guys are going to use your lanterns for if you received this box. Or if you don't receive this box, what would you use the lanterns for? I am definitely curious to know. Hi everyone, so I went ahead and put some batteries in that beautiful lantern. I'm going to go ahead and turn the light off so you can kind of see the full effect. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love it so much. Okay, and then today's question of the day is, do you prefer cats or dogs? I have been raised my entire life with cats, and even in like college I had 2 cats, and even now I guess I still have 2 cats. But anyway, I love cats so much, and then I did have a dog growing up, but meh, I could do without dogs for the rest of my life. Although my family, my daughter's over here like, what the heck, Mom? My daughter wants a dog so bad, and she's been begging for years and years and years. So, but let me know down below, are you a cat or are you a dog person? And I'd love to know what your answer is. Thanks so much, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow for box number 10.